Hello, welcome to the pet room. We have another box to look through. And look, it's a disk drive. There we go. A 3.5 inch of sorts. What does it say here? I Omega Ditto. Oh, this could be one of those things that it wasn't actually a disk drive thing. It was like a backup thing where, because it didn't look like a disk thing, where there were these actually big backup takes that went into them. Now, what am I going to do with this? A model J02000WI. Well, I think along with other things, that should maybe go to Rudy to see what he can see of it. He is into more of these strange things. Okay, what do we have here? We have some tapes, and they might all be the same. SBI microprocessors. Copyright 1978, all rights reserved, reproduction, duplication, rental, public use, or broadcasting are specifically forbidden without written authorization. What is that? Oh, tape 5. Side B? So that was side A? This is side B. Okay, there's a whole bag of them here. But what are they for? Let's see here. We have tape 2. Ooh, let's do a quick sort. 3, 4, 6, 8. Please let there be side. There he is. There's tape 1. Alright, hang on here. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 5. There we go. I think we've got it, by George. Alright, so what does this do? I have no clue. It's funny, through this thing here, there's another thing printed that I can't make out. SB microprocessors. 1 of 8 tapes by Cybex. And there are 8 tapes. I have no clue. And they do say they are copyright 1978, which means they could be a pet thing. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, what else is in this box? Oh, the paper. Tutor, 1978. What is this? The paper. The saving is 300 bytes, and you haven't been told all there is to know, just enough to whet your appetite. So this came out December 15th, 1978. Except for obvious typographical errors, I believe we've discovered all the problems in this text. Terry L. Lauderue? Rick Simpson. Excuse me. What is it? Some pets have trouble reading our tapes, since not all pets have their cassette heads aligned just the way ours does. Pets have their cassette heads aligned if you have trouble loading the lessons, please follow this procedure. Tutor. Well, here's something. Commodore presents Squiggle and Big Time, 2 programs for your new pet. Squiggle and big time. Oh, on the back, machine language monitor. All right. Oh, this is. Well, these looks like maybe they're copies. I don't know. Maybe they're originals. They've just been around. Introduction to your new pet. Revised. I don't know. They do look kind of original. What is this? It is paper in a bag. Oh. Oh. It's hard to see like that. Easier to see like this. Disc labels. Are they still good? I don't know. I just don't know. Disc labels are great things, but boy, if they ever like stuck or came sort of unstuck, they could certainly mess with your day in a hurry. Okay, what is this? There's lots of papers here. Stop it. Ad tech. This could be, I'm not going to say who, but this could be the name of the person this stuff belonged to. Advance exchange. Read write quantity 4 2 gigabyte tapes. Maybe that's for that thing. Maybe. Ad tech. And here we have, something from Purelator. Aha, it may be that this is all related to that drive. Ditto. Whoa, don't fall down. Ditto. You may have seen me with that drive over there. Tape Systems User Guide. Ditto. Tape Insider Installation Guide. I will not lose these. I will put them with it. What is this? Ditto. Software Installation Guide. Ditto. Installation Guide and Reference Users. Users Reference, sorry. I'll put that all together. And see. Oh my. Oh my. What do we got here? Millennium Bug. Don't let the chip hit the fan. Warning. Release of this bug prior to January 1, 2000 may cause computer chaos. Pet Millennium Bug. So I would think that somewhere in here, if there is something, there is. Oh my. Looks like a pet rock kind of a thing. Oh, look. I don't know if you can see that. I can barely see it. It's a tiny little chip that has eyes in it, or on it. It's a pet Millennium Bug. Now, you see, people around now may not know all this, but back in the day when the year 2000 was coming along, suddenly everyone was saying, oh my, these computer things, some of them didn't really have 4 digits for dates. They had 2 digits because, of course, bytes, way back when, were critical. So they said, we don't need to say 1984, we'll say 84. Well, when things roll over, and it's no longer 1984, but now it's going to be the year 2000, there was worry that there would be trouble. I don't think Apple's had this trouble. I think they always did their thing. I think it was IBM things. And I remember, though, way back when there were these people who were sort of into computers and basically a disagreeable sort, as some people are. Not because they were into computers, they were just disagreeable people. But I remember they were big on this Y2K, Y2K, Y2K. And they insisted that in the library at the school I was at, a sign was put up, Y2 compliant. Anyway, I don't believe. Everyone thought, oh my, as soon as it strikes over to the new, the year 2000, it'll be Armageddon. Everything will crash. And anyway, so there were much efforts taken to prevent any troubles. And I do remember somebody saying, oh, well, it was really bad because some people went to go look up a car thing, and instead of like the 2000 thing or whatever, it showed something from the early 1900s. Oh, yes, that'll put a stop to the world. Anyway, are you bugged? Yes, a little wee chip with eyes. Oh my. Oh my. Oh me, oh my. This could easily become a box for Rudy. Now here we have a bunch of discs. Number 2, archivers. Number 3, archives. Archivers, no, it does say archivers. Backup 20. I am thinking archivers number 4. Zip. Oh, this could be Amiga. Video tool, zip plus workbench. Archiver. Hardware hacks. Oh, okay. Forethought on disk. Oh, this looks like somebody just took the demo of Dragon's Lair and reused the disk, which was something that people did. Backup. Okay, so this could be virus workbench. Okay, this could be indeed more Amiga sorts of disks. I will put them there carefully, and I will get out more. I don't find them to be compilers particularly exciting. None of them seem to be like incredible labels or anything. Smart disk edit and copy. Alright, I'm going to just set these right here. And very carefully try not to knock them down. There's undoubtedly more. No, there is not more. Oh, look. Little wee disk labels. Archivers. Sysutils 2. Sysutils. Util disk. Oh, and here's a big one. Utilities 2. Alright, they need to be explored with an Amiga, I think. Oh my. Well, let's just see here. Here's a disk box. Wordsworth, it says. Never heard of that. There are a lot of disk companies. What does this say? PD2, PD, PD, PD. Okay, this looks like perhaps public domain stuff. Also, of course, perhaps for the Amiga. I will soon actually get a little shopping bag and put discs in there. I'm going to set this ever so carefully. We're almost up to the height of the phone. And what do we have here? A disc box. Oh, this looks interesting. Royal Direct. Oh, PC banking. Managing your money. Requires Windows. Oh, well, it's a whole bunch of them. Royal Direct, PC banking. So this is definitely, well, it could be for an Amiga if you had a bridge card, etc. But definitely, that will have to be explored in some other fashion to see. Are the discs good? Who knows? Oh my. Okay. I think that's all I can do right now. There's more stuff in there. But I need to take a break. So, thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. And we'll do more tomorrow. Have a lovely day. From the pet room, David Bradley signing off. Bye for now.